How to change voice in Claude AI, PC, and mobile. Did you know Claude AI has 5 different voices you can switch between anytime, and most people have no idea this setting even exists. If you want to personalize how Claude sounds when talking to you, this 2-minute guide covers exactly how to do it on both mobile and PC right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through how to change the voice in Claude AI in 2026 on both mobile and desktop. Claude AI voice mode features 5 selectable voices: buttery, airy, mellow, glassy, and rounded, generated using 11 Labs technology, and switching between them takes just a few taps. Let's get into it. Step 1. Activate voice mode on mobile. Open the Claude app on your device and tap the voice mode icon, the sound wave symbol next to the microphone icon in the text input field. This launches voice mode and Claude will be ready to speak and listen instantly. Step 2. Change your voice on mobile. Once you're inside voice mode on mobile, click the settings button in the bottom left corner, then tap your preferred voice and pace. You'll see all 5 voice options listed: buttery, airy, mellow, glassy, and rounded. Tap any one to preview and select it. You can change between them at any time by simply going to Settings, then Voice Preferences. Step 3. Switch voice on PC. On the Claude web app, log into your Claude account and start a new chat. Tap the sound wave symbol in the lower right corner of the chat window to activate voice mode. Once voice mode is active, look for the Settings or Preferences icon within the voice interface to access your voice selection options and choose your preferred sound. Step 4. Switch between voice and text seamlessly. You can switch between text and voice within the same conversation, and your previous context carries over, so you don't lose anything when you switch. This is especially useful when you start typing but want to continue hands-free, or when you need to type something specific like a URL or code snippet mid-conversation. Step 5. Adjust your speaking pace. Along with choosing your voice, you can also tap your preferred pace inside the voice settings on mobile, giving you control over how fast or slow Claude speaks back to you, a small but genuinely useful detail for different listening preferences. Here's your pro tip. Claude Voice Mode integrates with Google Workspace on Pro and Team plans, meaning you can ask Claude via voice to summarize your Gmail threads, Google Calendar events, or search your Google Docs completely hands-free. So once you've set your preferred voice, try combining it with Google Workspace for a full AI assistant experience, checking your calendar and drafting emails just by talking, without touching your phone at all. And that's everything you need to know about changing your voice in Claude AI on both mobile and PC in 2026. Activating voice mode, selecting from 5 distinct voices, adjusting your pace, and seamlessly switching between voice and text without losing any conversation context. It's a simple feature that makes a huge difference in how personal and natural your Claude experience feels. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Claude tips and tutorials every week. And drop a comment below which Claude voice is your favorite. I'd love to know. See you in the next one.